All right, guys. So I'm not able to be in school today. I'm really not feeling well, but we're gonna knock this out real quick for you. So when you're looking at 5-1, guys, you're talking about savings accounts this time. So the big things that you gotta remember is that you're earning interest. So if you're looking at the top there, it says that it's about earning interest. Deposits the money that you're giving the bank to hold on to. When you do that, it's going to uh, increase your bank account number. So this time, when we're talking about checks and things like that, you're talking about depositing the checks. So that money is going into your account now with this chapter. So be careful that you notice that difference. Um, if you look down here at these questions, the first one there, checks, those two numbers you're going to add up. Okay. The next one, cash, $2. Uh, four $5 bills is $20. Three $10 bills is $30. 10 quarters is $2.50. 12 dimes, that's $1.20. 15 nickels, that is 75 cents. 150 pennies, that's $1.50. And then less $50, so that's subtraction. If you plug that all in your calculator and add up everything in pink and subtract the green, you should get 209.95. Okay. All right, the second one. Second one, you get checks. So these two numbers in blue, those are adding. Cash, eight $1 bills, so you're adding that. 14 $5 bills, that's $70. Six $20 bills, that's $120. 31 quarters, that's $7.75. $4.60 from dimes. $1.45 for nickels. 98 pennies. Then less $75 in cash. So you're subtracting the $75 for cash. Okay. Answer is 642.32. All right, these two next ones are pretty straightforward. They're the same thing. Deposits, you're adding up everything. You're getting your subtotal. Then you're subtracting the cash received to get your grand total deposit of 361.71. Same thing for this one. Add up these two, you get your subtotal, 256.06. Subtract the cash received, you get 228.31. All right, number 5. Um, Going through these things here. So you got 250 as an initial deposit, then you got three $10 bills, which is 30 bucks. 12 $5 bills, which is 60 bucks. 26 $1 bills, $26. 52 quarters, that's $13. 31 dimes, that's $3.10. 29 nickels, $1.45. 137 pennies, it's $1.37. Also has a check from her uncle for $100, so that's gonna get added. And then starting out with your initial deposit, so 250. The total amount that she's got there is 234.92. Okay, so that's adding up all the other numbers. How much money does she still need to make the bank's required minimum amount? Because some banks do this where they have to have a minimum initial deposit. If you subtract the two, you get $15.08. That's how much more she still needs to be able to create this account. So C. I'm sure that some of you have probably seen accounts in in your lifetime that um, you need to have a minimum amount in the account to be able to create it. All right, creating a savings account withdrawal slip. Withdrawal is money that you're taking out of the savings account. You guys know this. This isn't too crazy, I don't think. You do have a withdrawal slip, which is like the one that you guys were given in class before. So on the withdrawal slip, typically you get this type of information. So if you're looking at the chart that's here, you get the date, the account number, the amount, um, and then you write out the amount in word form, just like if you're writing a check. You sign the form. Typically, you have your address or something on it as well. So again, word form, guys. You guys know this. I'm not. I don't think we're creating anything new here. So write the following in word form: 463.39. There you go. 463 and 39 over $100. Number two, 579 and 48 over $100. So that's 579.48. And then the last one, the last one is D if you're gonna do that one. So you're adding up certain things and subtracting others. That one's not too intense. With the page 177 ones, there are 3, 4, 5, and 6. Those are on your appendix. So if you go back to your appendix here, I'll show it to you. We're looking at this chart, and it asks for things like what's the date. So the date, May 14th. The account number, it tells you there, 5579182. The amount that you're writing it for is 128.75. Make sure that you're writing it out correctly. So if you're looking at it, writing it out correctly, you're talking about this right here. Okay. Notice that they put the dot 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 there, like as if we were scribbling off to the word dollars in a check. Make sure that you're signing it, making sure that they put their proper address there. So, and they say what's the date? We just talked about where it is. What is the savings account number? It's right there. Did she write the withdrawal amount correctly? And did she sign the withdrawal correctly? So if we go back, we can just double check that. Did she write the amount correctly? 120-8 and 75 cents. There's an issue. The issue is that you can't write your change like this. You gotta write it as 75 out of 100 and then keep it as dollars. Okay? Remember, guys, if you change and use the word cents, but it's supposed to be in dollars, you're using two different units. It doesn't work like that. The next thing is, did she sign it correctly? It would appear to be signed correctly. Anisha Wallenbach. So if we just go back and double check the question, on the question it says it's Anisha Wallenbach. So yeah, she did sign it fine. Okay. So guys, do these two, then complete the worksheet for 5-1 for tomorrow, deposits and withdrawals. It's not too hard of information. I think you guys can handle doing this on your own like this, watching the video. Thank you guys. Have a great day.